Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4Shop. Today I want to show you our 10.25-inch Android screen that it comes with the climate control that we installed it in a 2010 Bentley GT Continental, and we replaced the camera to one of our cameras because the original camera was not working properly. I'll show you the unit shortly. So as you can see, the whole screen is changed to touch screen. Right now it's connecting through Wi-Fi without any wire to Apple CarPlay. So you can use the touch screen, you can use the CarPlay, and the digital, technically digital touch climate control. The newer shape of climate control is installed, and these are the controller for the head unit. You can click on home, it goes back to home. You can go to the radio. You can use the basically the steering wheel controllers. You can make the volume up.
Oh, that's kind of appropriate. You have to go to your
You can make the volume down.
Travel flight hacks.
You can go to pick up phone. Basically, it goes to the Apple CarPlay, and yeah, so all of these functions, they're gonna work, and you can use the touch screen, and from here you can go back to the Android system.
The very last minute.
These are the functions that you can see on the screen. Also, you can see the climate control on the touch screen. And by going here, basically you can install apps and using it as a tablet, or you can go back to the CarPlay, and again you can watch video too. By going to reverse, it shows the backup camera with the dynamic guidelines. Also, we have a function that it says original car. Basically, all those changes that you could do with your old head unit, you can do it with this unit too. So you don't lose any basically functions that you can adjust those settings on your infotainment system. If you're interested to get this type of units, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can check our website 4x4shop.ca, and one of our technicians will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you and have a great day.